Hello, good evening. Give me a minute there time now.
Good evening.
So you wanna walk?
I'm alone, man, so I'm alone. What we expect?
See, I walk from this by myself around
Yeah.
I'm check on in the.
Check me? For what?
You mean, so we can't get to know you.
No, I'm not friendly. I'm not keep friend.
I'm not gonna be a friend, man. I have a relationship with them. I want to build something with you.
Yeah, how much?
You know more about that.
No, I need to know yeah, how much.
Yeah.
Because as far as me
Listen.
see, you look like you're a little boy. And you see me like big man, me like rough man. Me no want a little boy. Me no want nothing to ticklish me.
Yeah,
Because me no like laugh.
You mean you talk about ticklish? You see size of my foot? 12 and a half that thing. Small like chop down big tree, baby.
Well, as I say, little boy is not my type.
You mean look about?
Me not like the little boy thing.
Be a teacher and principal, me talk to you.
Well, me is not a teacher, me is not a principal, me is a bad girl, and bad girl like bad man.
You think so me soft?
You're too young.
It's an age adjustment number.
Well, me think about it and stuff, so. You know, later.
Phone right now, me take your digit.
Well, next time.
You can take for me.
Alright, since you insist.
804 3960.
Alright. So, me call you, me message you.
Make sure you link me.
Alright.
I pray. Dude, so I just book a new girl, dude.
Eh? Which part?
A nice slim as me always see her walk from up the road.
Oh, so you get your number, everything?
No, me never have my phone for me, so I give her my number.
Yeah, I start for a long time, you know, so I know you get
School,
to,
man,
you know?
school. So you depend.
They are going easy, you know?
Yeah, man.
And after my boy them, they do me a little food, so.
Oh, so give me a thing man, man, yeah, so.
Buy a drink, son.
See, alright. So I can always use this buy more drink.
Yeah, can't do that, man.
You know something no soft. Yo, big old money in a brother. And you know little pick me. You see me? Like me tell you say you can't chat to a girl younger than you. If you have a big woman them, you see me? You're steady. And a young girl run up and down. You see me?
My youth, what you do, you know? Cause the girl, yeah, you just want to for your money. You not no money.
No worry about that, man.
Yo.
Style and pattern.
Then girl are trickster, brother. You have to watch how you do. But watch you know, if you don't get through with her, find out if she's a sister or no cousin.
You know, we are real team, I check it.
That's a 40 here.
But I want me to worry about still if she go short, man.
You short, brother.
I'm like, I believe you. But you know, me have something to do with them here.
You know, say, as I said that, you know, so me have another piece of food to collect.
I see her.
Yeah, man, you link here. I go back me.
Yeah.
Hello. Ashaka. You can't come check me now? Yeah, yeah, wait for you. Alright.
What going?
In there.
I just come from that town and say would I get a link.
Oh, so you good?
Good man. So, what all this? Papaya, pine, melon? You been up something?
Yeah, I want to do that. So, what will the company of do?
I just go buy 2 things down in the town and pharmacy. You know.
So, yeah, we are there. Go, no, go.
I go pay so just me contact you a little bit.
Oh.
So, this is blend up juice.
I want to make a fruit salad.
Oh, fruit salad fancy. Yeah, treat yourselves. Nice. Is that it? Okay. So what's up on all these things? Well, so sometimes I treat myself too. You know.
So you say you soon go up?
Soon go up, yes. Me probably want a piece of that papaya, yeah. I can't get a piece.
Girl, you not as much. Have to me and my man.
Man? I didn't know say I meet somebody.
Well, at my time now.
Good girl. There's a thing wrong with that. So, as somebody want me know?
No, nobody will you know.
Okay, you be secretive about it, man. You must really like him.
Yeah, he's a nice guy.
Okay. So in that area you meet him or down in that town?
I can't say that.
Okay. So, girl.
So, where say I don't know. I may try to serve you something here.
Why? I just go grab one of them pieces, you know.
You can grab your and go and now, cause see some that rain a little falling.
Alright. Hey babe.
Oh,
There.
yes, you make fruit salad for me.
Yeah, babe. Like you come the right time. As it finish. So you have to go in now, you know, because
How would I?
I'm a little friend, but she are going now. She are going now.
Nice meeting you.
Alright. Let me see something.
Hey. Remember say when they pan on strong term yet. We just try to get to know each other, so let's just go in our room, talk, and sort out things.
In my room.
So, we just did make a little something for you. And I hope you enjoy it. So now, what do you do for a living?
You know, I'm a purchasing manager though for Discovery Spring Water.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's good. So you're not just a young man, you're a hard-working young man.
Yeah, but me just humble.
I realized you're not too fussy and stuff. Hope you keep it up.
Yeah, man.
And listen now, you see if me and you are going in one relationship, you know see you have to do what a man do. And you see this little boy thing, if you do nothing, you're going to make everybody...
You depend that, man.
You know depend that, and you're going to make everybody know, listen. Remember, so we just start small, we start off very secretive. Me don't need everybody in our business.
Yeah.
So the little boy when me used to see you with, sometimes I go tell if I top par with them, but me don't want them in my business.
Yeah, man, them man they good, man, to tell them man them business.
Okay, so as me say, if you can do what a man do, you have to go man up and down and stand up to your responsibility. But me still think about it because my type of man I really feel with no young boy. But because me say you have a little potential in you and somebody decide say, alright, sometimes we have to just try new things. So let's see how it work. Somebody I get your hooks up, you know. I still try to forget if you know if you disappoint me, I will drop you.
I'm not cut you still, but when me they are my yard, you know, I see how my parents they move and they two of them they in a bed all the while, amount time here look sound. You see me? And they live loving, and someone may live for amount time I can come over, sleep over here and sit.
Here I know. I don't have no problem with you coming over and sleep. But here I know, no. Yes, if you want to come over and sleep, you have to help pay bills too. Because, you understand, bills have to pay. So if you come over and stay and you want...
I understand, man. My father always tell me, say, one hand can't clap.
Right?
You understand? So, me understand.
Okay, and that me hear you talk about me hear look moon. I hope you don't see you go tell a friend them
no, sir.
No moon.
No, tell
how
me.
she a go on, cause me no show off Anthony, you know. And you see if me do make up my mind if you give you some, you know I'm gonna ram cause me that the look up in the style. You have to know if it's slow wine,
yeah,
take
man,
time and
you know if
good
you do the
on
romance thing, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to take me a little time and good on your night and make me feel good too. And all if you enjoy yourself, you know. And me know when you start me and be overprotective or too controlling. Me I'm the style.
Another good on thing when me I think in a media talk about.
Yes, me tell you with the picnic style, what kind of good on you know? You don't know what me I talk?
Well, I like them the argument, you know.
You must know what you like.
I'm gonna tell you prolong them the argument, you know.
So what on? You tell me say if me want it, me can't get it.
What me say me not do? Me not prolong them argument, that's when I bring the argument there to me.
I hear you, sir. So eat up your fruit, them and you can go home and...
And a joke me I making.
Me hear you.
Oh.
You know if you get in your feelings. Gosh.
So what you do? What you do?
Me? Well, you know, I got a little call center work and stuff.
Which department that?
Sales management. Yeah.
So that one I'm sister then do too?
That's good. And them pain are really bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, me don't want no more of this.
Right.
But you say no I'm a stalk you. So I give you space. Come on, as I say you want to take it slow. I understand.
Alright then. You can call me if you when you reach up if you're
Yeah man, me I show you.
Alright.
Alright.
Hey mommy.
How gone?
I'm there.
How are you do?
Just gonna eat some fruits, my boyfriend.
Your who?
My boyfriend.
Boyfriend, okay. So, going there, you ain't even there now? Or you gone?
Just leave.
Okay. So what's up differently? What's up? Why you look so boring now? What?
No, mommy, me not bored. Me alright, man.
Why you look so pale? You're pregnant?
No, mommy, me alright.
Mine you hide something from me.
No, mommy, sweet, me alright.
How we go again? I saw them test to see if you're not pregnant. Let's see if you're on a beat. And you saw your pulse.
What you do?
I want to know if you're pregnant, you know, because I would nothing. I would have my grandchild. I want to say the right father get it, you know?
No, I just want to get some rest now because I'm up from morning, so I just want to get some sleep now.
So you want to get some rest?
Yeah, mommy.
That sound like you're breathing.
Mommy, I want to tell you negative thought them.
So if somebody breathe that negative?
Yeah, mommy.
Alright, go and go lie down. Don't make it bother you, man. Don't worry yourself. But any you feel for anything, just call me phone. Me carry it over for you.
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, talk like so me sick.
You say you have man. Me can't wait to meet that the man there.
Mama, when the right time come, you rush things so.
When the right time come. May we wait, but don't make it be too late. Me gone. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, mommy.
Okay. Alright. So me can walk this and go.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Thanks. Here.
Change things and all that. You know, I come back already that I'm gonna make people study me. That's true. But anyways, where they pon? They are normal. Boy, you know, it's more mash work to me do. I'm just a forward from over mama yard. And she tell me say she want to take things slow. I mean, you know that. I'm going to go over there go sleep tonight. So I want to go over there. You have your mask. You always got.
Brother, what you talk about? Right now, I don't understand what you talk about, you know. I'm confused. Because right now, you tell me, say, you just come from over my yard. And you say you want to take time. Kind of thing that you talk about. I don't understand what you talk about, dog.
Me no dep on the slow business, brother. You know me as a man, chop and go through. You know so me stay. So me no know where you ready?
What you want me to do?
More you go over there, go rough her up. Make she get afraid. Make she call me. Say you can stay with me.
Oh, you're not easy, you know, boy. You see you, you know kind of foolish I keep up in there. Because you just tell me, say, you want big woman. What do you tell me, say, you want big woman and you want to change things now? I know you want me go over there, go rough her up.
Brother, just do what me tell you to do. No? You don't want to do it or you don't want to do it? You want to do it? Brother, come with the question. Me ask if you do something. Tell me yes or no. You go in the details. Me tell you something already. You do it?
I don't do it badness, man.
Matter of fact, I know more you do it, brother. So forward. Walk up, no brother, you see?
Hold on, man. Yo, the woman they are far, you know. Can make a money on far, you know.
Yeah, you do it. But me nah no match.
You're good, man. Yo, me everything don't move, man.
Where you hold on for me so far? Who you? Stop, where you can me go? Where you want me?
Oh,
Eh?
Stop in night, man. Me say give me everything. Yo, me not like excitement. Me say give me everything.
So me go give you hold on for me hand. You know say one money me have and me not eat nothing from
Give
morning.
me time to be talking, man.
I want $500 me have.
I really 500 you carry on the road.
$500 me have and me not eat from.
Oh, but you have some security, you know.
No. No carry me over there. No carry me over there. The good house there. If you want me, you better carry me in the bush where the ants and the courage them there. No. Carry me go in the bush where the courage and the ants them there. Better me give you in there so. No, wait. Me not tell you who that they come down there so police.
Yo, go on there, go man. Yo, roll up.
But I really them thing here, dude.
Come on, brother. Remember to have another mission to go on.
So, yeah, so.
That's a 40.
So, yeah, so now I deal with the thing, you know. So, watch you know. I do it on the phone.
Yo, pull this up.
How that?
Pull this up.
How that?
Yo, pull it down, man.
Who is that?
Yo, don't move.
Jesus, how that? What's that? Toga, where they? Me just hear one man come and lick me door like he want lick down my door. Me open the door, me see man mass up. You need to come right now because me scared, me afraid. Me not feel like me want to stay here alone. Just hurry up because me really afraid. Hurry. Alright. Mommy, oh my God, Mommy, me say me there, lie down, and me hear bam on me door.
What you say?
When me look, Mommy, I want man, me see mass up. Mommy, me afraid, Mommy.
If I so be the case, don't open up the door. Keep your door shut.
afraid, mommy. What you say?
Girl, if you ever know what nearly happened to me on the avenue, one short, thick, fat boy hoggling up backside nearly me.
Jesus. You nearly get up? Yes, the man, he is short and he's stout. Yes, and him in a one red shirt. Yes, ma'am, I him same one. Jesus, please let me go call the police. Oh, God.
And he take away my money, the one money we have, he take away $500. And me no eat nothing. The boy nearly me. Yes. He nearly raped me. Me have to trick him and tell him if he look down there, if a police come and so comes and run and start allowed to rape. The boy hugging up backside. No, sir. I'm afraid to walk back on that road there. You know what I notice with some of them? They don't want to walk. They don't want to walk. And them a watch out the woman them and then nice and sexy and they pass and want to come take them and haul them away. They want to come carry me over good nice house. But he want to come carry me in a house. Me not used to them the nice house there. So me just tell a little dirty ugly monkey say if he come carry me go in the bush with the courage and the hands them there. Me prefer give me this so but I trick him. And then I'm not joking with it.
So wait there, mommy, make sure you're safe.
When I reach when I call you, I still up on the road, but not that the avenue, then me tear up. Hey, you see me tricky boy? I shut off that bullet.
Alright, we have to go call the police. We just call my boyfriend and he say my come. Oh my God, mommy. Make sure so you're safe, make sure so you're there in your house. Lock the door them, lock the window them, check them, mommy. Oh my God. Hurry, alright, mommy.
Alright. No open up the door for nobody at all. You mad? And you don't know what there? Alright then. Yes, me call you, alright.
Oh, that.
I told her, man, me, baby. Okay, man, no boy can this me, no. No boy can make 2 calls right now. Because I don't understand.
Yo, bad bro. They say Ian, right?
Yeah, man. Right now, I just say yes, I'm my girlfriend and nigga just come a barge in our house, you. Yeah, man, I have a link around the yard, me there, you know, so I forward on the front. Yeah, man, make she calm down and I'm forward on the front.
Alright. Yeah, forward now.
Oh, no, see her.
Who that I just called?
I want to feel my boy then. What do you say? You good?
No, me scared and then just nearly my mother.
Your mother?
Yes, she said she walk on the road and the same man we come lick pan with the same day and one red shirt and one black mask. And he shot and he stout.
Calm down, man, calm down. Me there now. My things say me young. Links strong in the street. Whole heap of links me have. Watch it now. And from my boy I check me on the front. Just stay so me forward.
Just hurry up.
Alright.
Take up the key and walk, lock the door from outside.
Alright. Boy, she in the afraid right now.
So just go and go do right
that
now.
never do, but respect still.
Fully.
Respect. You soon get a look at things still. I'm boy.
Ah, we connect up.
Alright, I connect up. Let's link me on the app.
Fully.
Babe. Babe. I go up on the road and forward back. I go up on the road and forward back.
What time now?
Don't even know. Answer me.
6:30, we have go so early.
No, man, if you go up and work, if you go pay some bills, come back.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes, mommy. Eh? Yeah, the pan we are come now. Oh, you're so rich. Alright.
Yes, Jaja. Go on.
I pray.
Let me get you right time when you shell it down.
You want some? Very good.
No, something good, man. Boy, last night work out good.
Right,
So,
man.
what you do last night with the woman? A regular thing?
No, brother. You see me even have nothing for me to protect myself. I'm hungry, brother, and I just hustle you, you see me?
But anyways, a year thing you do still, but me not like that. You see me? But a year thing still where you do house, nah, start the food. But me just give you advice.
True,
I
man.
don't think then alright.
Long time I do it still, so. Because what you know? If me never did that do, when me that do, you know, you would get a woman. Because me, make you get a woman.
Fair enough, fair enough. Fair enough.
You see me?
That's true.
So you owe me a favor.
Yeah, man, yeah, see, man. You're one, you know.
So just do it right.
Tell me down, you just check me.
Me will do it right. Me I go and sell them some food. You see me?
Alright, me soon link you later still.
You have one more mission?
No, man, me I link mama later too.
Do it right.
Alright.
There.
Not what you do, because then they love come up in a people. House, you know, like, say they live here.
So what now?
Why, my daughter? Last night was such a rough night for the two of we. Oh, God save me. And God save you too. You're lucky you never opened the door. My daughter, how the two of us also? It look like we have to go a river and dump. If you go wash off the clothes, start this half away.
Sir.
Master God. When you hear the knocking, how you feel?
Me say, mommy, me day in here, lie down. Say, alright, me go call my boyfriend. Me hear knock on the door, so me feel see him. Then me hear boom, boom, boom. So me frightened now, me I say, no sir, this no sound right. So me gonna know, cause me kinda afraid to open the door. So me take me little time now and open it. So me say, man, me see mass up. Me have to hurry up and lock back the door. If me never lock the door like me not come, me have to.
Jesus. I wonder if I the same man. When they try to hold me down and take me away.
How you look?
You know what I say? Me not tell no lie. Me no see face him. Because he don't want mask. And he short and thick.
Mask?
Yes.
What color mask?
He look like I want dark blue
Yes,
mask.
me I see him one and he short and dark same way.
God almighty.
And he no stout,
Yes,
and
he
him
stout.
see him and mommy.
But one slim youth did it with him. But the slim youth never do nothing. Him go one side, but the way how me get nervous, but me have to have brave enough, because you know me stay already. Me have to use my head pon the boy and tell him to carry me going at the bush where the courage and the ants nest them there. And me we give him this so. As so comes, he ready to go with me in a bush. Then me trick him and say police they come down the road. So me have his shut off.
Slim you.
I shot off like a bullet.
Hey,
He couldn't catch me.
So
Not even you seen bolt no fast like me.
Yes,
me
I
run
see
left
you.
boy. The same him same one and the same description you they give me.
But I know Slim you never come and want stout you come not bang bang and do it right
And
there.
I
So.
tell no lie on the next one. He not touch me. At the short one. He take away all the $500 we me did have. Me no eat nothing from him and me they tell him say I have to buy something for eat. He take it from me. But you see to me want my life is spare and me no want him kill me off. Me give him the $500. So you see anywhere they go in our life, no key I could have even $1 million you pay for one phone. Give them it. Because of one life you have. God will give you back many more money. No follow them and go like your bad. Give them, take off everything. If I have in your drawers, give them it.
But mommy, me have to go call back me Tugger then man because
Because when you give them everything what you have what they want by you, maybe they will spare your life. When you go like your bad, and
Then
want
kill you.
then kill you. So give them. And sometimes when they take away people things like that, you know, they don't live for long, you know. And they don't live for inherit it. So don't worry yourself. Me thank God God was right there in the middle. Nothing happened to me.
sir.
And they don't get to come in come do nothing in here.
me say me heart there me mouth mommy. But guess what me have to go do now? Me have to go call Tugger and tell him say I never one
Your
of them
heart?
are two.
So your heart did there your mouth?
Yes, mommy, when they come in like they want to kick off the door.
So how your heart go back which party did they where God put it?
Hey, me no know when they come like a God put it back.
Hey,
But-
Jesus.
Mommy, what me have to go do, me have to go call Tugger and tell him say I never one or two of them can say I go deal with it.
To who?
My boyfriend, mommy, you talk like you don't know who me talk.
Me never see that the boy there, you know, me go hear you talk about him all the while. That Tugger war I hate.
Mommy, you go just pass him out the road.
What you
because-
saying him?
Tugger, you go just pass him out the road because he just leave.
In just pass.
Just pass you out there so.
While me they come inside.
Mm-hmm.
But when me they come in the house, me not see nobody unless up on the road. Backside. You know, say when me they come in. A matter of fact, before me reach at the gate, me pass one tall, slim youth they go. But enough people walk on the road with tall and slim and dark. I not happy him. I not happy him. But me see somebody when me a come, when me not take notice of people face and not come in and like look on people too long, then go feel say I sit me they pray them out for go do to them. Cause you know hurt runnings, you know. We have to be careful how we look on people, how we talk about people, and what we do to one another on this ground. Yeah.
But
Because this a really not pretty. So my daughter, me need you to take care of yourself. And you see at night time when the guy your bread in the name of Jesus pray. Ask God to cover you. And the next time, let me tell you something, me know say you a big woman now, you know. But me no born no idiot. Me no grow no idiot. And me no teach you to come up like no idiot. So the next time when you hear people they knock your door, especially overnight, how the hell you fi hear door they knock and you just gonna open up door?
Mommy,
You hear the voice of this somebody?
yeah, me hear this up need.
Then you didn't know that device there before?
No.
See that you gone wrong. Next time, you worse or you don't know device, do not open it. And if it's possible, don't even answer like you're dead. Take care of
You
yourself.
learn, just take care of yourself. Mm.
Come give me a hug, cause guess what? Me have some dirty clothes down on the yard there. Then I saw, you know from when me no wash? Shh, me no want you tell nobody. Me no know soap and me no wash them. Dash me, I go dash it. How that there?
Oh, B. How are you, mommy? How are you? How are you going, so?
Who him? Where you know him from?
Where you going, so, mommy? B, where you come turn? What happened, yes, sir? What happened, yes, sir? Somebody explain something to me now. Mommy, why you behave so? Mommy, meet my boyfriend meet my mother.
Yo who? Jesus Christ.
Mommy, why you behave
Watch
like
out.
that?
Whole bumper take me
Yeah,
body.
man.
Where you know them kind of people you're from?
No. I first.
Mommy, calm down. What wrong? Explain to me why you going so.
I use the bathroom and come back, yeah?
No, we are use bathroom for our this. You don't just come here.
Man, take a leak.
No, you just come.
No.
What happened, man? Somebody explain to me.
You can give me a drink of water?
Mommy just start now.
Are you who?
Me boyfriend. What happened? Say something.
That same boy. Yeah. Him. Me see with the same short one. Inna the...
I know me.
Hello, make sure talk, no make sure talk. Make sure talk. Where you say, mommy? Can you talk about short one and something happened last night and my head kind of...
Shaka, my daughter, is this your man?
Yes, mommy. We're not mommy man, but we've been dating for a while now.
You sure say you want him to be your man?
We are working on that, mommy.
You're working on Wara? This a boy, yeah. Him same one. Me take me 2 years where God Almighty give me. Me use them and see him that same time when the short thick boy in the mask come and hold me up. Take with me $500 one can me go in a bush where courage hands there. Figure go do right with me. Wait. This boy, I tell that this boy never try to touch me. But in the day, he stand up one side and I look.
Check.
The boy stand up one side and I look. He must know that short boy in the mask. And the two of them me see how I come down the road. He never touch me as me tell you before. But he must know the boy I'm friend or in family, me don't know. But he know him.
Hello. What she talk about?
If for your man, what you say? You know I walk panny? You and him I walk panny if be your man. Nobody walk panny. Tap walk panny and I get no pay no work. Anyway I walk and I get no pay, nobody walk.
What she talk about? What she talk about?
Listen, it's a main road. Remember, say it's a main road that, you know. I walk, me didn't even know that man there. I swear. First, me I see him from me I walk on that stretch there. I know me always sit down on that stretch.
Jesus.
But wait,
zip up that lip there.
Wait,
your tongue is a lying tongue.
Wait, mommy.
Speak the truth.
Wait.
It was you.
Wait there, mommy. Wait. Tell me now. Me know my mother because you know me from around. You say a long time I live around. No. So I listener. You say man, I rob my mother and you stand up and me call you after that and you come in here and you that say nothing that can tell me about a road. You're stupid.
Get him out of here.
You know what?
Me never.
Yes, me telling about you look boy. I see something me talk about you know.
Ode. Shh. You shut up for your mouth, you know. Kind of for me grow, you know. What kind of cross is this you carry in your life? If you can't kill off you and me.
Me disappointed in you, me not lie.
I don't know if him and this boy always do them thing, you know, because me they tell you the truth, he never touch me. But me don't know if him at the head one and he send him out to go work. Me don't know if him at the head and he have the next one the work and send him to go do his job and then he care about money can't give.
So why you stand up beside him then and then come in here?
Me never stand up beside him.
You sleep in here and pretend like nothing never happened. So if you never see me mother you not want to talk.
Hold on. What you saying, do sleep or so?
But mommy, hey, you know what say? I got a lucky thing say me no give none of me meat. Cause me that feel bad in myself. You know what? Come out of this. And try to say in and done some. This up and go, man. Jesus, we always stuck up some dog.
Dear man blast after all. No, who tell you say you can't see any man a road and carry them in your bed?
Mommy.
They have bad spirit with them. They have demon with them and crosses with them. When they done with you, they left demon in your bed. So they need a good man know where God send in your life, the demon gone from them. Go and go pray right now.
Mommy.
Pray him out of your bed.
Wait, no, mommy.
Anything when you left in your bed, take it out now. Go take off your sheet off your bed. Take off your sheet, other sheet and sleep on, take it off. Even if you don't hit, strip the bed naked and put on one different the boy. Let's spirit in your bed, Lord have mercy.
Mommy, show me I look at him as a humble youth. He always humble. Me
Jesus.
not see him like a dad.
Wolf, shut up. Wolf in a sheep clothes. Me tell you say, you have some man out there and some woman out there, them are wolf in a sheep clothes. Be careful of what you're doing. Next time you go see one man and meet one man about the plan for date man and date with man, ask God how you fit choose first. You know what? You remember the dirty clothes the women did I tell about?
But mommy, wait no man.
The next door neighbor them know what they saw. Me no want them ears say my house full of dirty clothes. And say cause you make me come over here. Me no and soap you have because soap you give me go wash them.
Yeah mommy, but me I say like how we find out.
I don't want to hear about that crosses boy again.
No, mommy, like
because I ought to go call police now, you know, because him must know the next boy, you know. Because all in my intention now from I feel your man where you they date. And he know the boy because me marking face him never have no mask. But I cannot make out the next one face and I know saying short and thick. Yeah. And the boy is strong. If you see him hold my hand and they pull me in the hand and take with the $500 God bless me with. God I go see me in the Grammy yard come here and they pay hungry and me no have no soap to wash my clothes.
What me I say is mommy,
What?
Remember say he realized so we know see him, you know. Me no want he go do nothing good as well with.
Do me anything? I straight at station me they go right now go report it. So when they come for him, then we get all the information from him to find any other criminal. Cause how comes him a walk? Alright. As me said before, remember me tell us saying he ain't touch me. But he must know that little idiot when I walk with where they do wrongs. The invigila is bad as the damn thief all when he not touch me, he know about it.
Exactly, and he come in here I play this innocent.
When you think me for the report here station?
You report him, mommy.
Then you know, so sometimes when I go report things that happen to you, the same people then come back and come kill you. When if you do keep here, if you go tell the police.
Mommy, you can't keep this.
If you tell the police.
Because I could have raped you, and I could have lost my life in here.
You're mad somebody? You know, see me strong. That the boy the minute they allow him to carry me go over no house when I'm grill there, or in a no bush with hands and courage there. You mad? I trick me did one tricky little idiot and carry him go to hands nest and courage.
But wait,
if you know if he do with him, if me then top from walk and hold up woman and take with woman things and go do what he do man. That boy they not even know me.
Mommy,
but when I want carry him go in a one bush when me know the road where him don't know it. But one next thing come up in my head, so me trick him and run.
Mommy,
you can't do nothing.
Just come in my head. You see, same night, I'm a call and he come. When he come, I start explain what happened to me. And he make a phone call and go out a door. But when he come in back, because I ain't sleep, you know, he never tell me what happened. He just say, he might deal with it because the boy don't know who he is. And he never really tell me why in the middle of the scene go outside for how long.
Misogynical. But if I did take second thought and turn back and come over here that night, he couldn't sleep here. But anyway, one at a time when we see one another, we finish the conversation. Me have to go in no cost. Right now, me go walk and beg money to buy soap to wash and to take
Mommy, soap there in the kitchen. If you beg soap, then you get embarrassed. You say you're picking your big soap.
So if I beg soap, I embarrassment.
Yes, mommy, you can't have that on a big soap.
Better say if you ask what you want, better me ask more than me thief. You want to hear your mama thief, better you hear your mama beg like a one.
Just walk safe around and call me when you reach up.
Me? Friend then, do that to me. Me no walk so I walk with Jesus. Nobody can do me.
Alright, man.